Hello guys, so today I will show you how to stop your PC from overheating and making bad noise. First step, you gotta go to Task Manager. Here, from the toolbar, here are the processes. So you can find any process here that making a lot of usage. Here you see the percentage, of the usage of your CPU. If you find this bit higher, like this is good, the 2.4, 1.6 is good. That's good. But if you see something like 50% or 70%, well, that's the reason for it. So you want to prevent this thing, just right click on this and end task. Second step now, you gotta go to your settings. You go to power and battery. You see here the power mode. You switch it from best performance to balanced. Third step, you check manually your PC and just open it up and clean out the fans. That helps a lot, trust me. It doesn't look that much, but it helps a lot. So for the first step, if all this methods didn't work, just gotta buy something like that. It's a laptop cooling pads. You find it on Amazon. It's not highly priced. You can choose the model, whatever you want. So I hope this video helped you. If it helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe.